In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a composition to Adobe Media Encoder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your After Effects work into Media Encoder, choose the right settings, and export a clean, shareable file. First, open your After Effects project and make sure the composition you want to export is active in the timeline and visible in the composition panel. It's a good habit to double-check that your work area and resolution are set how you expect, because those choices can affect your final render. Next, go to the Composition menu and choose Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. If you have multiple compositions, a dialog box will appear. Select the composition you want to encode and click OK. After Effects will hand off that comp to Adobe Media Encoder. If Media Encoder isn't already open, it will launch automatically, and you'll see your composition appear in the queue panel. Inside Media Encoder, you'll pick how you want your video exported. In the queue panel, click the Format drop-down and choose your output format. H.264 is a great default if you want an MP4 that's widely compatible and easy to share. If you're delivering a file with transparency, consider a format that supports an alpha channel, like QuickTime with a suitable codec. But for most social and web exports, H.264 is perfect. Then, choose a preset that matches your needs. For example, YouTube 1080p is a reliable starting point for full HD delivery, and it automatically sets frame size, bitrate, and other key settings. If you prefer to keep your project's original resolution and frame rate, a match source preset can save time while maintaining quality. You can always fine-tune advanced settings later, but picking a preset keeps things simple and consistent. Click the blue output file text to choose where the exported video will be saved and give it a clear, memorable name. Consider adding a version number or date so you can keep track of iterations. Make sure you're saving to a location with enough space and right permissions. When everything looks good, start the export by clicking the green play button at the top of the queue. Media Encoder will begin rendering, showing you progress and an estimated time remaining. One of the advantages of this workflow is that you can keep working in After Effects while the export runs in the background. That's it. You've successfully sent your composition to Adobe Media Encoder, selected a format and preset, set your output location, and started the render.